Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token and Coinbase. Well, the latest news is about Coinbase to purchase Terra Classic token in bulk. Coinbase has just authorized $245 million worth of Terra Classic. All we need right now is a confirmation of that, and I believe if Coinbase can really purchase such, if Coinbase can start supporting Terra Classic at that level, that is going to create more impact for Terra Classic. And I think the biggest thing Coinbase need to do is by listening to Terra Classic and by accepting the 1.2% tax bond. Of course, we need Terra Classic to start massively burning a lot of these coins. Well, I think Coinbase coming in, buying such amount of coins will be a added value to Terra Classic token. Oh yes, $245 million is a lot of money. I mean, imagine Coinbase purchasing Terra Classic worth of that. And I believe, of course, Binance have been supporting Terra Classic already, and you can see Bitforex also have been supporting Terra Classic massively, but they are the second after Binance that support Terra Classic token. And you can talk about Kucoin, crypto.com, exit.com, and other crypto exchanges that have been supporting Terra Classic token. But Coinbase and Binance, of course, we all know these are the top crypto exchanges, and I want to see Coinbase coming in supporting Terra Classic token, because with that support we'll be expecting an increase. Of course, Coinbase can push, they can manipulate the price of Terra Classic token, just like Binance can also do same. And I believe that Terra Classic token very soon will be hitting at a very high price. With all the support that we've been getting, we'll be expecting Terra Classic to hit a massive increase in price, increase in market cap community. And I want to see Terra Classic at a higher level before the end of 2025. Of course, 1 cent, 10 cent is possible, and I hope to see that come to pass. Well, $245 million is a lot of money, and I want to see Coinbase actually do that. Remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.